Acknowledging the presence of the Chief, National Headquarters, National Support Units, Police Training Center, Police Colonel Susan A. Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Police Lieutenant Mary Grace S. Deling, ma'am. To our Assistant Chief Ness, Police Lieutenant Salvador Emmanuel, sir. NTC personnel, NUP, GOs, Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, Batch 2024-01 and Batch 2024-02. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Ikaw kasi sige, sa langat at tuloy, kasi may sa langit mong puto, ay garang puta at pangit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang sablang watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagninimik, ang dumi at araw na kayo, may pag-ibig. Nagaraw ng mga ating pasunta, buhay langit sa akin mo. Ay makakit, ang kaya ng langit sa'yo. Fire we gonna fly, guiding us towards what's just and right. We the community, hand in hand, enforcing laws across the land, enforcing laws across the land.
And to fulfill our duties with integrity, dedication, and compassion. Lord, as we raise our flag today, may it remind us of the sacrifices made by those who came before us, our heroes, our leaders, and every man and woman who has devoted their life to duty and service, who still has the same passion, courage, and integrity that they have shown. Bless our leaders with wisdom, our officers with strength.
Go!